Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Losing your Vizio TV remote and finding yourself without a Wi-Fi connection for app control can feel like being stuck in a digital dark age. But don't worry, you're not out of options. There are several effective ways to regain control of your Vizio TV without needing the original remote or any Wi-Fi connectivity for the TV itself. The most fundamental method is to utilize the physical buttons located directly on your Vizio television. Most Vizio models, even modern smart TVs, will have a set of basic controls built into the chassis. These buttons are typically found on the back, side, or sometimes the bottom edge of the TV. Look for a combination of buttons that usually include power, volume up/down, channel up/down, and an input or source button. Some models might even have a dedicated menu button or a single multifunction joystick-like button that allows you to navigate and select. To use these, simply press the corresponding button for power, adjust the volume, or cycle through inputs to find your desired source. Navigating the on-screen menu with these limited buttons can be a bit clunky, often requiring you to use the volume or channel buttons to move selections and the input button to confirm, but it's entirely feasible for basic adjustments and settings changes. This method is foolproof as it relies solely on the TV's hardware, completely independent of any network connection. If relying on the built-in buttons feels too restrictive, your next best bet is a universal infrared IR remote. Unlike smart remotes that use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, universal IR remotes mimic the original remote by sending infrared light signals directly to your TV's IR receiver. This means your TV does not need to be connected to Wi-Fi for this method to work. You can purchase these inexpensive remotes from almost any electronics store or online. To set up a universal remote, you'll typically need to program it with a Vizio-specific code, which can usually be found in the remote's manual or by searching online. Many universal remotes also offer an auto-search function where they cycle through codes until your TV responds. Once programmed, a universal IR remote offers a much broader range of control than the physical buttons, including full menu navigation, access to smart TV features, though you'd still need Wi-Fi for the TV's smart functions, not for the remote control itself, and quick access to all inputs. Even some older smartphones had built-in IR blasters that could be used with specific apps to control TVs, effectively turning your phone into a universal remote without needing the TV to be on Wi-Fi. Another often overlooked method is leveraging HDMI-CEC, or consumer electronics control. Many Vizio TVs support this feature, which allows devices connected via HDMI to communicate and control basic functions of the TV. For instance, if you have a streaming stick, a Blu-ray player, or a game console connected to your Vizio TV via an HDMI cable, that device might be able to turn the TV on/off, change inputs, and even control volume all through the HDMI cable itself. The key here is that the TV's own Wi-Fi connection is not required for the CEC communication. You'll need to ensure that HDMI-CEC is enabled both on your Vizio TV, often found in the settings menu under names like CEC, HDMI Control, or Vizio CEC, and on your connected device. Once enabled, simply using the remote for your connected device, like a Roku remote or a PlayStation controller, can often perform basic commands on your Vizio TV. This provides a convenient way to manage essential functions if you already have an HDMI-connected source. So, whether you're pressing buttons directly on the screen, programming an affordable universal IR remote, or utilizing the power of HDMI-CEC from a connected device, you have viable paths to control your Vizio TV without the original remote and without relying on the TV's Wi-Fi connection. Experiment with these options to find the best solution for your situation. Thank you for watching. And please remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.